Step number 1, get the campfire going. For our first meal, I'm going to call it a Russian toastie. It has bread, Jarlsberg cheese, prosciutto, sauerkraut, which is our key ingredient, and we're substituting Russian sauce for some chili sauce that I got from Italy. It's called the Dynamite. We love chili. And I've got some chili flakes there. So we have perfect sized bread this time that actually fits our jaffle. It's perfect. No chopping board, so it's just going onto the table. Crucial step, need to get some butter. And then we need this prosciutto. It's smoked, which is really good. It's gonna have that nice smoky flavor to the toastie. Look at that. It's pretty good. Pop one on there. Buttered side goes on the outside. So mild. I think it's from Swiss. Anyway, beautiful texture, very creamy when it's melted. Let's just get a piece enough for one toastie, so I think that's about a good portion. Put it on the outside. The special ingredient is the sauerkraut, which you definitely need, and it will make a huge difference.
Oh my god. I can't get it. Okay.
Oh, finally. Yes. Yes. Special ingredient, the Dynamite. It has olives, chili, what else does it have? Something aromatic, natural stuff. It says. But look at that, it's so tasty. It's delicious. And then you put that on, I think just on top of the cheese, like that. There you go. And then get this sauerkraut. Just dig in. You can use your fingers for camping. Okay, like that. Put a whole bunch of sauerkraut. I think it's really important. You can see. Just put a whole bunch, maybe a tiny bit more on the side there. And then we have pepper, which we forgot last time.
What are the ingredients?
So put pepper on the top, like that. Maybe a little tiny bit of the chili flakes. Just a tiny bit, not too much. Like that. Pinch. There you go. That's it. And then now you've put the other side on. all tucked in. All tucked in. So while we're waiting for the toastie to get ready, time to have another drink. Cheers.
Cheers.
Sizzling. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, it's perfect.
That looks pretty good. Mm-hmm. So heavy.
It's got lots
It's
of
like a
sauerkraut.
burrito in a toastie.
Show me the sauerkraut in there. Oh, yum. Look at that. Look at that. Our take on the Italian Russian toastie made on Campfire. How's the toastie?
Really good.
Oh my god, this is too good. I think the chili just made it so much better. Wow. Next one here says 1836. This is where all the topics is coming out. There are peacocks here. Oh my god, there's two. The other one's running up. Look at this little chicken.
Very little.
This is a very unusual setting. Drinks. Chickens everywhere. Look. There's chickens behind us. Someone's playing the harmonica down there. There's white peacock. Oh my god, the food looks amazing. amazing food just delivered to us. Look at that. I'm excited. Even the bread looks really good.
Even the butter's really good.
Okay, that's it. The chicken wants to join us for lunch.
Maybe you should make a video on how to eat lunch.
Homemade pate.
And the cattle string out along the fences as the breeze from the south races by.
The ingredients for... Are you shining light on me?
What? I'm just standing, listening.
Okay. The ingredients for our first meal...
Start again, or you?
No, I'll just cut it. The ingredients for first meal... Hang on, what's our first meal?
The first meal.
Yeah, what's our first meal?
It's Campfire toasties with smoked prosciutto, Jarlsberg cheese.
I'm just going to call it a Russian toastie.
But you don't have anything Russian.
Sauerkraut's Russian.
Oh, is it? I
Oh,
thought...
what's so funny? Don't. Okay, so Owen's going to be the main cook. Oh, and we've got butter as well, and Tabasco, and some wine, and acai, and salt and pepper this time, which we forgot last time.
What about the stick?
And the stick, we forgot a chopping board, but that's okay. Okay, cool.